So it's December, end of the year, and it's that time of the year where people go on holiday, and I've decided to take a nice long drive to a secret location only known to myself, and go and spend some relaxing time. Unfortunately, last night, or at least early this morning, I noticed that the lights above my number plate was actually not working. And I must admit, I've never actually looked and gone and seen and tried to find out exactly what's happening with this number plate lights. I don't even know they exist. So let's go and have a look and see where they are and how we're going to fix them. Okay, so let's get underneath here. Let me put down my drop sheet, my trusty old cardboard box, which I find is very good to work on. Oh. Alright, let's have a look. So guys, what we're looking at is, there we go. That's light number 1, and there's light number 2 on the other side. There we are. So let me open it up and let me show you exactly what's going to happen here, and let's solve it. Okay, all I want to do is just to check that both of the lights are actually not working, because I could see that it looked very dark. So I'm putting on the ignition, and it's then on the parking lights. It should activate the number plate light as well. And okay, one is working, which we all got here. If you have a look, you'll see it's this clip here. Get your screwdriver into that. One that's going to go to loosen the clip, and then we'll just take another one to loosen, or at least to push back, and to try and just pop this light out. So just get it back in there. Now he's loose. Okay, finally, here we go. Comes out. All we do, pull that guy out. Right, let's loosen the clip. As you can see, it's a standard clip. You'll find them all over this vehicle. Just push him back and pull him out. There we go. So what I've done is I've bought a couple of these bulbs. I'm not really sure what you call these bulbs, but yeah, you go to any spare shop, any automotive shop, and you'll find them there. Just ask for them, and they'll give them to you. And this is what we've taken out now. So if you have a look, this is just the lens at the bottom, and there's a little space here into which the actual electrical part goes. But the thing that we're going to do right now is we're just going to put our bulb in, and they pretty much go in anyway. So you can just, if you have a look there, you'll see, hope you guys can see that, it goes in there, and it fits in only one way really, and just stick it in, and there you go, done. That's it, bulb in. And what we're going to do now is we're going to just turn it in. You'll see there's like a little notch into which that little tab goes, and we'll just turn him in. There we go. What you do is once it goes in, you just twist. You just twist it, and it's done. And now we're ready to go and install it. Okay, here we are. Let's put it back in. It only goes in one way. That little notch there on the top, this notch here, is going to align with this. So it goes on like that. It clips in underneath that tab over there. There we go. Push him in. Done. So So now guys, before we put him in, let's just test and make sure that he is working. So let's just do that quickly. I'm not going to put it all the way. I just want to make sure that he is working. And hey presto, he's working. So guys, it's very simple. Well, let's hope that it's very simple. It should go back in easier than what it came out. Still going to have to push this number plate back a bit. There we go, it's going. Okay, that's it, you just push it back in. I'm all thumbs today, so yeah, there we go. Guys, all done. Okay guys, I'm ready to hit the long road now. I think everything's sorted. Anything happens now, it's going to happen on the road. And if anything happens, I'm going to film it to the best of my ability. And let's hope it's nothing serious. If it is serious, well then I'll have some more videos for you guys to watch. So let me get going.